children, good morning. As you all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and you also know that these 26 letters has their own phonic sounds and they are divided into vowels and consonants. So children, what are articles? Articles are words used before a noun or to point out nouns. And you know very well that there are three articles. Which are these three articles? A, an and the. Okay? Come on children, let's learn about these three articles in detail with the help of a story, and the name of the story is Article Brothers. Okay, meet the three article brothers, a, an and the. All three brothers like to point out nouns. Okay, so a, an and the, all three article brothers point out nouns. And children, you know what is noun? Nouns are naming words. Okay, name of person, place, animal or things. So, these three article brothers, they point out nouns. They are used before nouns. They are also called as determiners. Okay. The twin brother, a and an, likes to point out singular nouns. And the elder brother, the, likes to point out both singular and plural nouns. Children, what is mean by singular? Singular means one. So, the article brothers, a and an, are usually seen with singular nouns. That is, one person, one place, one animal or one thing. So, here in this picture, you can see a girl, a car, an apple, a house. Twin brothers, that is a and an, but both of them have different hobbies. The article a is used with nouns that begins with consonant sounds. Children, watch this carefully. I have used a before a dog, a bus, a zoo. You know why? As the first letter of all the three words begins with the consonant sound, as d in dog, z in zoo and b in bus. Here, there is something different with the article an. The article an likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sounds. So children, which are the five vowels? They are A, E, I, O and U. Now you have to pay some more attention over here. Words beginning with silent H, for example, an hour, honest man, we use an over here. Now you will say, why an is used? Though H is not a vowel, it's a consonant. But we don't say hover. Am I pronouncing, or you can hear the sound of H over here? No. We can hear the sound of O. And O is a vowel, isn't it? So, when we use a vowel sound, we have to always use the article an. Is it clear to you now? Okay, that's why I had said an hour, an honest man. So now children, let us move towards our third article, and that is the. Yes, the is the eldest brother, isn't it? So when to use the in a sentence? It is used for the things mentioned for the second time. Okay, for mentioning specific things. Then, when there is only one of its kind, like the moon, the sun, the sky, okay? And it is also used before the plural nouns, okay? As I have told you this before also, like the penguins, okay? It's plural, okay? Then, the sun, it's one of its kind, okay? It's a special object, isn't it? Only one in the universe. Then the moon. Okay, we also use the before our holy books like the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, they are specific, special, isn't it? So, for such some special things, we use the article the. Now, children, look at this sentence where you can see all the three brothers, that is a, an and the, have appeared together. Okay, let us read this sentence aloud. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Okay, so in the beginning I have used a. Why I have used a? Because the word stall is singular, and the most important thing is that the letter S is not a vowel, it's a consonant. Okay, let us move further. I have used an before an umbrella. I know why. Okay, do you know this? Because U, the letter U is a vowel. It's not a consonant, isn't it? Then, on the stall. Why I have used the over here? Because the same word stall is appearing second time, isn't it? So, I have to use the. Now the stall has become specific. I am talking about this particular stall, isn't it? So in this way, all the three brothers, they do appear many times in a single sentence also. So come on children, let us say goodbye to the three article brothers. Oh, before going, they want to say something. And what they want to say? Yes, the article a wants to say that nouns that begins with consonants always remember to put me. Okay, and only with the singulars, not with the plurals. Okay, and now what the article and wants to say? It wants to say that I am used for the nouns which begins with the vowel sounds. Okay, remember this. Then what the article the wants to say? It wants to say that whenever you talk about the same thing for the second time, use me. And for special and specific objects, what you will use? Make use of me only. Okay, so bye-bye. Children, let us revise our today's topic with the help of this exercise. I know I am sitting here, but you all will be guessing the answers very loudly because I know you have watched this video very carefully. Okay, so let us begin with the first sentence. The first sentence is dash plates are on the dining table. Plates is plural, isn't it? So with the plural, what I will use? I will use the. Okay, let's move on towards the second sentence. I want dash burger. Burger, it's a singular noun, but B is a consonant. So what I will write here? I will write a or the. No, I will write a because it is singular. Okay. Third sentence. There is dash orange on the table. I know it's very simple for you because orange O is a consonant or a vowel. It's a vowel. So what you will write? An. Okay. Let's move on towards the fourth sentence. Dash students are welcoming the chief guest. Students, it's plural. So it's very simple. You will write the over here. He is in rush, a rush, or the rush, a rush. Okay. Then sixth sentence. I have got plan for that. Okay, plan, P is a consonant. So what I will write here? A plan, correct. Seventh sentence. She is always smiling and kind to dash students. So students is plural. So very simple to write the over there, isn't it? Next sentence. A teacher is dash important person in everyone's life. What you will write here? I of important is a vowel. So you will write and. Very good. It's correct. The ninth sentence. He is dash best in this subject. Always whenever we use the superlative degree, we use which article you know? We use the. Okay. The last one. There was dash lot of fun while playing cricket. It's a, isn't it? Yes, you are correct. It's a. Okay, so with this, we have finished with our today's topic. Children, I hope that you have understood this topic nicely. Okay, with the help of the story and the examples which I gave today. Okay, and if not, it's up to you that you have to watch this video again and again till your concept is clear. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Have a nice day ahead.